These are quite hard things to put on. You've got to use a wee set of mole grips. I wasn't really prepared for that, being difficult. It just shows you, I've been spoiled with having Fords. Anyway, it's a motorcycle manufacturer, so I suppose everything's different. Anyway, on to the next plug. I don't really think this is cured much. I know some of the leads are a wee bit over length. I'm just hoping that they don't get filled up and stuff. That's basically the way I'm going to run it now. I don't believe it's fixed. I believe there's possibly something going on inside the distributor. It may be a case of getting a new distributor, but I'm going to wait to convert it to negative. If I can just get it to run. I don't even want to put the bonnet down at this stage, so I could maybe chance putting the boot and see if it starts. That's all 8 plug line wires in, so you know how it goes. Ignition on, start the button. It's not leaking spark or anything like that I can see, so I have to take it for a run. And give the hands a wash. Coffee and cake time at Greg's. See how this goes. Definitely get this misfire, so the only thing I think is the points are open too far. Of course all that can be bothered up a dwell meter, so see how this goes. We'll put it into first gear and see if we'll get any more power at the bottom. Smooth enough. The misfire comes at, believe it or not, 3000 revs. Let's see you going. Okay. No indication, that's great. Oh! Innit? They don't even look you. They're that frightened to look you in the face. Like, signal with your eyes where you're going. If you're not going to signal with your indicators. Nothing really to report. Seems smooth enough. I still think there's that misfire there at 4000 revs. The only thing I can think of is the base plate seized and it's no advancing, throwing out the weights. Well, that's going to get fixed with a new distributor anyway, so we're going to have to spend 500 quid on this. I'm going to have to buy a negative earth alternator, rewire all the ignition, and then put in a new distributor and clock it, and I'll see how hard that's going to be. And there's also the case of, is it a distributor driven rev counter, cable driven? So got to see all that as well, so that's going to take some planning. So in the meantime all I can really do is check the dwell, reset the points, and just advance it a wee bit, advance the timing just a wee bit, and give me a wee bit more room for high revs. These traffic lights are a pain. Traffic lights. See what you get from Glasgow to East Kilbride in about 17 minutes. I never had traffic lights like this before. Nice day for it. I haven't seen one classic car today. I was out in the MG this morning, out in the Daimler this afternoon, and I haven't seen a decent car all day. And it's summer. What's the excuse? I know there's hundreds of them in town. Take one to your work or something. Town's getting busy. Wonder what the time is. It must be about 2-3 o'clock. Done 44 miles. It's time to put more petrol in it. Look at that. That is busy. That's me arrived at Greg's, right at the door. I think it's just the same. Right, coffee time. I use leads on a Daimler. This misfire, which is really annoying, and I don't even remember how to put the bonnet on now. Right, to be continued.